Now this is the moat that extends around Osaka Castle. Osaka Castle is in there, nestled away, and this moat and brick wall extends right around 2 kilometers long, and in winter apparently they get snow as well. So looks amazing, this massive castle nestled in the heart of Osaka City, inside a park with nature, trees and crows, ravens, you can hear them. So Osaka Castle was first built between 1583 and 1585 by a warlord called Toyotomi Hideyoshi. He ruled over Japan at the time, and during Hideyoshi's lifetime the castle was constantly enlarged and improved. Much of the castle was destroyed in the wars of the early 17th century and rebuilt again in 1620, and then it was lost to a fire which was caused by a lightning strike in 1665. Now the current castle that we see today is a reconstruction completed in 1931, and also it survived the bombing raids of World War II, but it did suffer some damage, and again it was badly damaged by a typhoon in 1950. Now the castle has been renovated in 1997, and that's what you basically see today. You can go inside up the top, but it actually looks quite beautiful from down here. Osaka Castle. Right now we are heading to the Miyakojima ward. We are going to check out Izakaya Toyo's restaurant. Now if you don't know who Izakaya Toyo is, he is a famous street food cook. He was on Netflix. I saw it about a couple of months ago, and it intrigued me the way he cooked food. Not only that, but his story. So hopefully I can meet him today. We are going to check him out. It's a bit of a walk, I think 20 minutes, and we'll come to Izakaya Toyo's restaurant. Guys, this is Izakaya Toyo's restaurant. There's a big line over there of people waiting to come and get served and eat here, and then you can basically eat all the food here. He is one of the most popular Japanese restaurant cooks here in this country. He was on Netflix basically talking about his upbringing and about how he became a chef here. This whole story was quite intriguing. If you have not seen it, check it out on Street Food Netflix, and check out the Osaka, Japan episode, and you'll see Izakaya Toyo on there. I'm gonna try and get online and see if we can taste some of the food from Izakaya Toyo's restaurant. Guys, the line over there is getting bigger and bigger. It's nearly dinner time. It's after 5 o'clock, so people are gonna start coming. Hopefully I can get a bite in within the next 20 minutes. Still in line. Hey, that lady pushed in down there. We're getting there, guys. The line's getting shorter. Hopefully we get to eat soon. Menu, guys. One and one. Okay. Just oolong tea. Yeah. The man. Let's try the sushi. Delicious. Let's grab some of the tuna meat. Look at the tuna meat. Looks like steak. A stripe with a bit of soy on there. Put some soy on there. Douse it in the soy. And chuck a little bit of chili powder. There you go. Let's try that. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's like steak should be, but tuna. He's the man. He is the man. Wow, it's delicious, guys. Let's have one more with the veggies.
Enjoy Japan.
The man, the man.
Thank you.
Delicious food, thank you, thank you.
I'm glad to hear
Very
that.
delicious.
Thanks. My English is very poor vocabulary.
No problem. Okay.
I will do my best.
Thank you.
My English is very poor vocabulary.
No problem. Arigato. Thank you. Bye bye.
I will do my best.
Alright guys, awesome meal here at Izakaya Toyo's restaurant in the heart of Kyobashi, Osaka. If you come here, check him out. Good character, awesome guy. Had a few laughs with him.